This is where I used to work from 2003 until I got sick in 2009. Western Nevada Supply. Two of the founders, Jack and Tom Revilio.
Oh, Bob, you filming me?
I am.
What's up, Bob?
Hey. Heading toward the irrigation department. It's all the plumbing supplies on the wall, which I used to give to all the customers, whatever they needed. This is the irrigation department, irrigation counter.
Oh, yes, they do.
And into the express will call. It's one of the cool water features that we sell or used to sell. Nice waterfall, lights up at night.